KC Technical Institute, an ISO 9001-2015 certified institute. India's #1 institute in photocopier repairing training. We offering highly demanded job-oriented skill training program. Advanced color photocopier repairing course. Get start your new high-tech career as a color photocopier engineer. We require only interest and no age bar. Anybody can learn our technical courses with just basic knowledge. 10th, 12th, graduate or working professionals can join regular, weekend, and fast-track classes. We train students with no prior experience to become entry-level technicians who are ready, willing, and able to begin new careers. 100% practical, 100% job support, 100% self-employment support, lifetime backup support, practical on various brand and model, free study materials, Hostel for outsider, color photocopier repairing course, includes newly update course materials, easy to follow, and highly effective for new generation color copier machine repairing. All phases, functions, mechanical, electrical, and electronic components. All troubleshooting and repairing, full assemble and disassemble, error clear, adjust setting, IP and networking configure, PCB testing, and many more. In practical, we teach Xerox, Canon, Toshiba, Sharp, Ricoh, Konica Minolta, Kyocera, and various types of color copier machine, chip level repairing. Also we offering photocopier, printer, mobile, desktop, and laptop, chip level repairing course. Get admission now. For admission contact KC Technical Institute, Shuli Apartment, Kaikali Chiriamore, PO Airport, Kolkata, 700052, West Bengal, India. Mobile, +91 9051 8060 Website, www.kcti.in. Email, info@kcti.in.